Hi guys, welcome to our channel Cadibly, AutoCAD tutorial for beginners. Before we proceed further, if you are new to our channel, do hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get regular notification about our upcoming videos, and don't forget to press the like button to support our work. Do share this video with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. In today's video, we will discuss about overview of basic features of AutoCAD. As you can see on the left topmost corner, there is basic features available. The very first one is new. If you press this is basically used to open new files. As you can see, there are various by default templates available. So we'll take ACAD, the most commonly used one. Just as you select this, just press open. Now, as you can see, there is a fresh new file template available to work upon. Next is open. It is used to open existing or previous file. If you have any previous or existing file saved in your laptop, you can open it just by clicking on the file and then press open. Next is save. This option is basically used to save the work. It is also used to assign different location and name to your file. As you can see on the screen, the file is available by the name of Drawing 2. So you can just rename the file and save it to your desired location by clicking the save button. Since I haven't changed the file name, but in case if you want to do the same, you can just again press the next option is save as, which is just next to save tab. This option is basically used to save your file with different name and in different format. Previously I have saved the file by the name of Drawing 2, but now if I'm supposed to change the name, I can change it. For an example, I'm changing it to XYZ and I assign it different location and in different format. Right now my format is AutoCAD 2007 LT, so I'll change it to DXF file. 2007 LT DXF, and I'm saving it on my desktop. So just press save button. So as you can see on the display bar, now it is saved in DXF format on desktop. The next option is undo. For undo, you can press Ctrl Z to get back to your original work mode, and in case you're supposed to make something new, so you can just press redo to it, that is Ctrl Y. And on the right side downwards you can see, and on the bottom right corner you can see there is model, then it is grid mode, then it is ortho mode, then we have object snap, then we have workspace settings, and then one graphic settings and other options available. So I'll start with the very first one, model, in which we are working right now. Second is grid mode. As you can see, there are grids available on our screen. If you just want to get rid of it, you just have to press F7 function key. So the grid will be off. And in case if you find grid to work with, you can again press F7. Then we have F8. F8 is basically used to straight the lines. And then we have F3, which is O-snap. O-snap is basically used for super fast drafting. So you can press F3. Rest we will explain in detail in our upcoming videos while using other commands. Another one is Workspace Settings. As you can see, we are working in 2D, so we will use drafting and annotation settings. This is all for today. So thank you guys for watching our video. Don't forget to click on subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming new videos. Click on like button to support our work. You can also share this video on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp with your friends. So see you guys in our next video. Bye bye, take care.